Hi there. Today I've got two interesting calculus problems, one on limits and the other one on definite integrals. These concepts are super important and I'm going to be breaking them down in the simplest way possible. So stick around to the end of the video. Ready? Let's go. So we're going to start with a problem on limits. Now, when we have a limit and we have this a limit, it means that x tends to 1, that is x is approaching 1. So usually we start by substituting this value into this function given. So I'm going to put 1 where x is. Now square root of 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. No problem with that. Square root of 1 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is also 0. So there's a problem here. The problem is that I have 0 as the denominator, which means this function will be undefined. So we can't have that. It means that we have to approach this problem a different way. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and work with this denominator we have here. So here we have a sword as the denominator. When rationalizing a sword, you need to multiply by its conjugate. The conjugate of this sword is easy to find. All we need to do is change the sign. So the sign was initially negative, now it is positive. So when we multiply a sword by its conjugate, is the quick and easy way to do it is to use the difference of two squares to do that. So in this case, my x or root x will be squared. Then I'm going to square this other number here. So that's x minus 1. Alright, so I'm going to bring all of this into this place. So now I have x minus 1 over the square root of x minus 1. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. So I'm going to have up top x minus 1, square root of x plus 1. So at the bottom I'm going to have this that we've already found, which is x minus 1. So we have x minus 1 here, and we have x minus 1 here, and of course they will cancel, leaving you with the square root of x plus 1. So now we've been able to simplify this into this. Now we can substitute the value of x equal to 1. So I can put 1 where I have x here, so that will be square root of 1 plus 1, which is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this limit evaluates to 2. So we've gotten our first answer. Now for the second question. We're told to evaluate the integral 1, 0, x squared into bracket x cubed plus 1 dx. So I want to start by expanding this problem here. So I have 1, 0. So I'm going to have x raised to the power 5 plus x raised to the power 2. So when you multiply, you add the powers, okay? So dx. So I'm going to integrate this and also go ahead and integrate this. So when you're integrating, if you have x and you have a power, let's say 5 dx, what you're going to do is add 1 to the power, then divide by this sum here and put the value there. So in essence, I'm going to have x raised to the power 6 all over 6. So let's do the same thing for the second one here. So the integral of x squared would be add 1 to 2, then this sum, put it under here, so that will be x cubed all over 3. Okay, get that? Now we would have x raised to the power 6 all over 6 plus x raised to the power 3 all over 3. Then since it's a definite integral, I'm going to put these two values here. So I'm going to substitute these values into what we have here. So that would be 1 raised to the power 6 over 6 plus 1 raised to the power 3 over 3. So of course we have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 here. So to add this is really easy. Find the LCM. LCM is 6. 6 and 6 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 3 and 6 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So you have 3 over 6 here, which will be 3 goes into 3 1 and 3 goes into 6 2 times. And the answer is 1 over 2. So we've managed to find the answer to our definite integral. The answer for this is 2. And the answer for this is 1 over 2. So which topic do you want us to go into? Is it limits or is it integrals? Write your answers in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next video.